হ্যালো, গুড মর্নিং, গুড আফটারনুন or গুড ইভিনিং। যে কোনো সময় আপনারা যে সময় এটা দেখছেন। For today, I will change my language to the international wide languages for all of us. So today I am showing you an enterprise solution. This is an enterprise solution. Why we are saying this is an enterprise solution? You can also use as billing software this system. This have a warehouse system. You can add an warehouse first of all. There's a warehouse list. You can add an warehouse for the multiple warehouse system. For that thing we are telling this system as an enterprise system, because if with a one business you can make multiple warehouses to be handled by this one single system. And for every warehouse there be a user list also be installed. You can create a new users also. I had created a default of my users. I am the users of this software as a store admin. And you can also enlisted the rules of that user, that what are the rules of that users. You can actually you can take these things, and you can also tick mark, or you can also give the permission, that which type of permission is to be handled by the cashier, which type of permission is to be handled by the store manager. And these are the things are to be shown by the user list. And you can also see the dashboard. It's a very multiplies dashboard. The dashboard contain all type of the records, like weekly, monthly, yearly. Okay, and that the records are the recent added items should be also in the system. And there will be the stock alerts, how many stocks are being alerted and what are the stocks quantity are showed in the system. It is also showing you what are the top trending items which are you selling. What are the top trending items you want to sell or you are going to sell. These are the things. And these are the recent sales invoice also will be shown in the dashboard. Okay. Then after that, this is the sales system. You can make pause selling billing system as a pause billing system. This is a pause billing system have no dues. You can directly put the pause system over here. Okay, and directly go for the cash or multiple. You can hold on the reference of the customer. If you are in a retail business or that thing, you can take the whole list directly in the system again. And this is the pos billing system. I am just showing you the basic fundamental of the software. Then you can add as a wholesale, where you can take the partial payment. And we also had modified this to EMI system. In the next video we also will show you the EMI and recurring system. In this system we had also modified. You can make the customer's payment to an EMI method or EMI mode. This is the patient this is the customers revealing billing software. You can directly add from here. You can really add uh, those items which don't have the stock. It will not add it solely. So you can also add the items from a single place. You have the price, taxation, tax, purchase amount, taxation is inclusive or exclusive, that's the type, profit margin. Like if I am putting the price is 100, and if I am making the profit margin is 20%, you can say it's 1200. You can also give the MRP alerts, and you can also give the selected image, this one. This is the things is that. After that, you can check out the sales list over here. These are the sales list. You can make things like partial payment, or you can make that who are payment are partially paid, who are or totally paid, who are unpaid. You can check from here. Then the sales payment will be shown over here, which customers have paid you, what are the amount should be paid it, and to which account. Then we are going for the sales return list. This is the sales return list we are showing. This is sales return list. Okay, so we are going for this thing. And after that, you can check for the advance payment. If someone has paid you an advance, you can also put over here on the behalf of the customer name. It will be showcased in the sales department. And there will be advance sales list also. Advance sales list, that who had given you the advances or something. Okay, then you can also set customers coupon. You can also distribute those coupon. There are quotations over here. You can paste as the quotations. And then the purchase system, you can also you can also add your purchases to be over here. Purchase list and purchase return list. like the sales return list, you can, if any item will be in the your terms and condition that you can take the return, you can also take the return from the customers through this one. Okay, and for that thing you can also return your purchases amount, and the stock will be deducted and the amount will be added to your system. And this is the account. You can add account list is money transfer, account to account, deposit list, cash transactions are there. You can also add the items and services in the same category. You can add a variant, you can add brands, you can add print label. If the print label, like for example, if I'm printing any label, like item, I'm like I have the item like in, you can just make a preview over the item. This is the item, this is the barcode, you can print over the barcode. You can just go and print the barcode from your barcode printing machine. It's impossible, it's possible, it's fairly possible over here. Okay, and then this is the import item. If you have the excel sheet of your items, you can directly import the items over here, is in the same format you can do. And for some special charges we also do for you these things. There's a stocks, how can you adjust the stocks lists, how can you get the transfer list over here. Okay, the stock transfer list from one warehouse to another warehouse is possible over here. The expenses list, category list, what type of expenses are to be done in your business, and what are the type of the categories are you. Then is the place, what are the country listed, what, how many countries you are dealing with. You can activate or deactivate those country lists over here. Message, you can also send the message. If you have DLT registration, we will merge that DLT registration with you. There's a message template also, you can make the message template over here, like getting to the customer sales. For if you are the DLT is registered, you can do these things. Okay, then the reports, you are getting profit loss reports, like profit loss reports show like this one. It's like balance sheet over here. It's sales payment report, you can check over the sales payment report to whom you are selling. Customer order, GST are one two, sales GST, purchase GST, sales tax, purchase tax. Supplier items, you can selling point reports. There are many more reports we had added over in the report section. This type of reports have been done like sales payment, and these are the things. And you can also make your settings like store settings, whatever stores images are to be there, what are the logos. You have the site, if you want in the site, there is a site over there. What are the SMS and WhatsApp API, if you requesting for SMS and WhatsApp API, you can also connect over here. HTML, this is the code we had written. Okay, so you can directly do the URL and URL, the mobile key and message key for the SMS API, for the Trello SMS API, and the Fizo SMS API. There is a many more APIs we are using, and there is a SMTP also, the mailing system. You can also give the mailing system to be added over here. Then the tax listed, the unit list will be also over here. Payment types, currency list is database backup. You can also take the total database backup from like one in a one market. You can take the database backup in an instant. And this is the help guide. You can take the help guide from the system, that from where you are getting the helping how to install the software, what are the versions are there. It is a total thing we had used to to avail your filling and this one. So these are the things we had, the person with the billing book, and we had updating these things day by day. So this is the enterprise system you are taking. You are ordering what type of enterprise system. There are many more type of enterprise system. This is the enterprise system, and this is also a billing system. If you off some some of the options, it will different as only the billing system. And it is an enterprise system because we are providing you the warehouse system, and this same method and same usable already you can get over here as a pause system. And you can also take the take the full the thing into the Bangla or in any languages you requested. Like we have used some languages like Arabic, English, French, Russian, Spanish, and something. You can directly modify that thing for your user friendly. You can now just go through it, and now you can check it totally is in Bangla. But the total the things is something, there's something will be not shown in the Bangla, but every other details are should be in the Bangla of here, because it's in the Bangla for all the options. So you it will friendly, it will be easily friendly for you to showcase the things.